Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Sirajuddin and I am from Polymas Jitra Kedah. Today I'm gonna compare to this product which is alarm clock. This is alarm clock A and this is alarm clock B. The function is the same, which is to make an alarm. The secondary function is to watch the time. Okay, let's gonna do the features. The size, as you can see here, this alarm clock is bigger than this. The shape is square and this one is circle. The color is more brighter than this color. Okay, the characteristic is this alarm clock is glow in the dark, while this got lamp when we push the button. Okay, for non-physical attribute, the warranty for this alarm is 1 week, and this warranty for alarm clock is 2 days. For the price, this one is much more pricey than this one. This one is affordable for everyone to purchase. Okay, this has a larger battery than this one, which is this clock has longer. This clock has long-lasting battery than this one. That's all from me. Thank you.